Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2015 to present Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon truck. We're going to be installing a 6-inch rough country lift kit, some 20x9 Helo wheels, and 33 1250 R20 Fury mud terrain tires. Rough Country has done a great job of providing you with instructions that walk you through step by step on how to install your lift. Everything from taking your lug nuts off to putting them back on. Our only tip that we have is in the instructions, you have to remove this lower strut bushing. Either you need to have a hydraulic press or you need to know somebody or go to a shop that has one. So before you start ripping apart your truck, make sure you have a way to remove your lower strut bushing and to put the new ones in. Besides that, it's a piece of cake. Follow the instructions, you'll knock it out. If you have any questions, leave a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call at 833-268-2577. Thanks.